Hi and welcome to another video to help you stay healthy effortlessly. This video I want to talk about a topic which is not spoken much, especially in the area of health, wellness and fitness, which is I want you to stop searching for that superfood or that recipe or that smoothie or the diet plan which claims that it is going to be miraculously resolving your gut issues, or it is going to help you lose your weight, or it is going to help you overcome anxiety or any other health issues, because these are the viral claims which are made on social media, on the reels, on the post, and then people fall into this trap and they just create more damage to themselves. I'll explain why you need to stop searching for that. And one of the reason is because diseases are a complex pieces of puzzle, and food is just one of the pieces among them. Food is important. What you eat, how you eat, how much you eat, when you eat, all of that nourishes and impacts your body. But the problem is that people start claiming that if you have gut issues, stop dairy, stop gluten, it is going to resolve your health issues. If you have anxiety, if you have any other health issues, eliminate sugar or buy this product, or start having this water in the morning or in the evening, or start having this detox tea or this detox smoothie, and it is going to be miraculously helping you overcome your health issues. Yes, by doing that you might feel relief for a few days because food is powerful, but you are not sick just because of food. And especially in today's time, there are a lot of other factors which impacts your body at biological level, at cellular level, and even at mental and emotional level, which indirectly impacts your entire biological function and overall health. So let's understand that what are these other parameters which are directly and indirectly impacting your health. Before I go into that, I also want to share that people think that if green smoothie is working for me, it might work for somebody else also. It is not that way. It might work for you, but the other person might need a homemade fresh warm meals. That is what they want. If a carnivore diet, or if a vegan diet, or if an X diet is working for somebody else and it helped them lose weight or any other health issues, people think that it is going to help me as well. No, you do not need that. So it is not one size fits all. If this food is working or if this recipe is working for somebody else, it is not that it is going to be working for you, because there are other pieces of puzzles which you need to look into. So if you are somebody who is always focused on food as the source of healing, then you need to step back, you need to pause, you need to zoom out and start looking into the other pieces of the puzzle. So what are the probable pieces of puzzles which is impacting your health? One of them is your quality and the quantity of your sleep, at what time you sleep, because your body's entire hormone system, your body's detoxification, rest, repair, rejuvenation, everything happens in sleep. So you might be eating the healthiest of meal, but if you are staying awake late at night, or if you are binge eating at night, or you are just getting 4 to 5 hours of sleep, then that food is not going to help you resolve your weight issues or any other health issues. Along with poor sleep, there could be stress levels, stress at your work, or it could be examination stress or the environment stress. The stress directly activates fight and flight response, and if you are stressed and if you are eating the healthiest of food, that food is not going to be digested, absorbed and assimilated properly in your body. So your entire gut function is compromised if you are under stress. So then trying to heal with food without resolving stress is basically adding more stress on your body. And whenever you are stressed, your body is not under the capacity to digest the food at its optimum level. So food is not going to help you if you are stressed. Similarly, if there is lack of movement, you are not physically active, that is again going to impact your digestion, it is going to impact your mood and overall health issues. Or if you are exercising at the wrong time, there are people who exercise at midnight, at 11 p.m, they go out, they want to play sports, they want to activate their body, which is not the time you want to move and exercise. So you are doing it wrong. You could be eating right, but you are exercising at the wrong time, or you are exercising too much, or you're not exercising at all. So all that also directly impacts your overall health. Then there are emotional parameters, like there could be stress in your relationship, or your emotional well-being is compromised. There is fear, there is worry, there is anxiety, there is overthinking, there is fear of missing out. All these negative emotions directly impact your body. So it is not just about what you eat, what is eating you. And one of the causes could also be some experiences or traumas in your childhood. They directly impact your body at biological and cellular level. So before you go crazy about what you eat, you also need to address what is eating you, because that is directly impacting your health. And there could be beliefs and mindsets, your thought process. You are too aggressive, you feel that I am perfectionist, I need to do this. You are over ambitious and you're just focused on one thing. That is also killing your body's ability to heal and stay healthy effortlessly. I want to share an example where we had a person, and she was so obsessed with food as her means of staying healthy that she started asking everything to chat gpt and the ai, that this is I am eating, is this good, how much calorie this food has. She used to take pictures and upload it to chat gpt, and just taking all the information about food. She was anxious, she was completely messed up in her overall health, no energy, completely fatigued because sleep was compromised, and there was anxiety around food. So food, instead of helping, was harming her because the other parameters of the puzzles were not in place. So if you are somebody again who's just constantly searching for this on social media, you need to stop doing it immediately, because the more you search them, the more you like them, the more you see them on social media, the algorithm will start showing you more of these, and it is going to be basically be creating more health issues and more confusion. So to get more clarity, just start eating simple food, basic home cooked food. That is what the body needs. And apart from that, start addressing other parameters of the puzzles which are directly linked to your health. These are just few. There could be many other parameters, which is very specific and individual to you. You need to identify them, that what is the missing link which is not allowing me to lose weight, which is not helping me overcome my pain, my headache, or my digestive issues. It could be lack of water. You could be taking excessive medications or painkillers or antibiotic, which has basically damaged your gut. So identifying those parameters of the puzzle and then fixing them slowly, one step at a time, is basically what you need to start focusing on, connecting with that and disconnecting and detaching from all the viral claims of some miraculous food or recipe or the product, because that is just to get more views, to get more attention, and to get more profit. The real health is identifying where is the gap, fixing it from the root cause, and then you will start seeing the magic happening in your body. Your body is going to start healing. You will start feeling energetic, more vibrant, and start staying healthy effortlessly once again. Thank you so much once again for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with people who are just obsessed with food as a means of healing. Until then, keep addressing the root causes and start staying healthy effortlessly once again.